Okay guys, we have a pendulum clock. I don't know if you've ever seen a pendulum clock, but they're kind of like the old grandfather clocks. They have a little string that comes down, and this string will sway back and forth. So it'll come up, and it'll come up. So it comes up, and that's a pendulum clock, okay? So it swings back and forth and keeps time. So a pendulum clock is 94.5 centimeters long. So they're trying to say that this is 94.5 centimeters in length. Here, here, here. That when the pendulum swings from one side to another, the horizontal separation is 15.3 centimeters. So when I swing right across, the horizontal separation between them is going to be 15.3 centimeters. Determine the angle through which the pendulum swings to the nearest degree. So I'm swinging, I'm going back and forth. The angle for which it swings, it's swinging, it's swinging. This is your angle. Okay, so it's swinging back and forth. This is the angle that we're after, and I'm going to call it theta. We've basically made a triangle here. It looks something like this. This length and this length are equal to, so 94.5, 94.5. This is 15.3. And they're asking us to find theta. Now that's basically what we've come up with. Okay, so I want an angle. I know three sides. I can't use the sine law, right? Because I don't know my other angles to set up the ratio. So I have to use the cosine law. So what is the setup? The setup is that if I take this angle, cosine of the angle that I'm looking for, it's the other two side squareds. So 94.5 squared plus 94.5 squared. Subtract the side opposite the angle I'm using, squared, all over 2 times the other two sides. See that? No formula, just jumped right into doing what I needed to do. Now, so there's two marks for that, by the way. So now, let's get our answer. And using your calculator, you got to figure out how you're going to do this. But I'm going to do 94.5 squared plus 94.5 squared equals. Subtract 15.3 squared equals. Now I'm going to divide each one of these separately. So divided by 2 equals. Divided by 9, 4.5 equals. Divided by 9, 4.5 equals. I get a decimal. Now I'm going to write this out once. 0.986893424. And I did that for anyone that's not going to watch the video and is just going to look at the work that I'm doing. This needs to be changed. I need to change it to cos inverse of 0.986893424. That's going to give me angle theta. So in my calculator, since I already have it, second function cosine, and we come up with angle theta equals approximately 9.3 degrees. They asked for the nearest tenth of the degree. Tenth means 1 decimal place. And that's it. So 2 marks here, 1 mark here, 1 mark for the diagram. You're looking at a 4-mark question. Okay guys, that's it. Give this a practice and make sure that you're good at it.